What's up, guys? This is Carl Exted. You are watching the Carl Exted channel. Today we're talking about starters. Now, this is a machine that blows my mind because of its simplicity, yet its complexity. Moving over here, we have the starter solenoid. You have battery constant power being supplied to this stud, and that will eventually power this stud, which energizes the magnets on the inside of the starter case. This stud is your starter signal stud. When your ignition signal is triggered, it energizes this stud right here, which energizes this coil. This coil then becomes a magnet. This magnet causes this plate right here to come into contact with this stud and this stud, creating a complete circuit. So now your main battery power is supplying your starter magnets with energy, and that's causing more magic and engineering that we'll talk about momentarily. If you look in here, in this part, there is an arm that while that plate is being magnetized and sucked up into the power studs, this plate is being this arm is being pushed the opposite direction. As you can see right here, here's part of it. It pushes this one-way clutch into the engine linkages. Now here we have the armature, which is the rotating part of the starter. And that rotation is caused by the energized magnets that are inside the starter case. Let's see. Here you can get a better view of the armature, and you see that the way that the spines on the outside are arranged. This is because you have an alternating pattern of magnets on the inside of the starter case, so that when you have a north here and a south, when you have a north on this end and a south on this end, the north side is influenced by the south side, and so it causes rotation because opposites attract. And that is consistent throughout the design of the armature. I find that super fascinating and mind-blowing. It's so simple, yet how smart do you have to be to figure that out? That's fascinating to me. But anyway, those are a few things that I found fascinating about starters. Thank you very much for watching, and may you have a blessed day.